most of the investor, especially people who used to save their money in saving account, in fixed deposit, or been buying property, to them going to equity is very high risk, and they're not so sure how to take it, and how to manage this volatility of equity risk. But I must say, okay, I was not born as an investor, or I was not born as a financial planner from day one. I also started, like read financial book, practice investing, advise client, and grow from there. Like what I say, over the years, I discover if you are able to do a diversification of the different asset classes. Within equity, there is three major asset class for Malaysian. Number one, Malaysian equities. Number two, Asia Pacific equities. And number three, global equities. So if you are able to diversify your equity into these three major asset classes, your volatility should be minimized, because the chances of having crisis all at some time and all exact time is quite less. But if you're able to couple your asset allocation with some bond, with some REITs, or plus your property, okay, that will be even better. So then, should there's a equity risk happening, there's a crisis in the equity market, you're not worried, because you will always be supported by bond, by properties. That is how we need to use a outside the box way of managing the equity risk. We need to look at our total wealth, our total investment from the holistic picture, rather than looking into, I'm now buying a one rubber growth stock. How do I reduce the volatility of this rubber growth stock? I would say your option is very limited compared to a holistic picture.
Okay.
After you make friends with equity, you will find that they are not too dangerous actually. Just like a human, you get to know another human, you understand him better, you have been spending time, you understand his character, then somehow there's a range that you can manage. But if you always from a distance, or that guy is very arrogant, that the guy have got bad attitude, based on rumors, based on judgment, then forever you will think equity or difficult to manage. No way I can manage equity, so I better stay with property or I stay with cash. So that's my experience.
If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.